A textile flowchart visually represents the processes involved in the textile production industry. Here is a production flowchart of knit fabric, covering the key stages. Yarn preparation. Fiber selection. Selecting the appropriate fibers for knitting, including natural fibers like cotton, wool, or synthetic fibers like polyester, nylon. Spinning. Yarn is spun from the fibers to be used in knitting, with attention to yarn thickness and type like single, multiply. Knitting process. Types of knitting machines. Weft knitting. Circular knitting machine. Produces tubular fabric by feeding yarns through a circular set of needles. Common for t-shirts, hosiery, and other stretch fabrics. Flat knitting machine. Used to produce flat fabric, often used in sweater production. Warp knitting. Tricot knitting machine. Produces finer fabrics, often used in lingerie and sportswear. Raschel knitting machine. Produces open, lace-like fabric often used for curtains or sportswear. Knitting types. Single jersey knit. One layer of knit fabric created using a single set of needles. Double jersey knit. Two layers of knit fabric produced simultaneously using two sets of needles, which makes the fabric more stable. Interlock knit. A type of double knit fabric with a smooth surface, often used in apparel for a soft feel. Rib knit. A fabric with alternating raised and recessed areas, giving it more stretch, like used for cuffs, collars. Fabric finishing. Desizing. Removal of any sizing or lubricants used during the knitting process. Heat setting. Used for synthetic fibers like polyester to stabilize the fabric and prevent shrinkage. Dyeing. The knit fabric is dyed in solid colors or multicolored patterns depending on the desired end product. Printing. Designs are printed onto the fabric using various methods, such as screen printing, rotary printing, or digital printing. Softening. The fabric may be treated with softening agents to enhance its feel and drape. Final product, finished knit fabric. The fabric is prepared for shipment or further processing into garments like t-shirts, sweaters, or leggings.